Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Deriv. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index with different strategy that can really help you guys to trade successful in boom and crash index. So guys, I'm back with another strategy. I promise you guys that I'm going to release a video on this crash 1000, and I'm going to use the same strategy I used for the first boom video inside this particular video. So guys, this is another best strategy for you guys to use, but the first thing you need to learn is to learn to adjust your screen to the last zoom area, which will always help you to avoid some fake areas and which will give you uh consistent entry in trading this successfully. You see that? So instead of you placing your trade at this particular area, because it sometimes before you find an entry at this particular area, it might not giving you a lot of time for you to find an entry. But if your trade is this particular area, yes, if you place your trade area at this beginning of your screen area, it gives you a constant time for you to enter this particular trade. You see, currently now I'm having my profits that is running. You see the spike happened because it left this particular region, and it was giving me another support area now, which I'm going to enter. Currently now I'm going to enter it, which is going to be a buy entry. So guys, I've already entered this particular entry. You see the first entry confirm at this particular level. You see what happened here? It confirmed at this particular level, which gives us a uptrend or uptrend up to this particular area, uptrend up to this particular area. So what we are going to be doing now is that I'm going to explain to you guys how this strategy works on crash 1000, so that you also can learn it and trade with this successfully every time you want to trade on it. So guys, I found this particular entry so late. I supposed to have entered this particular entry when I have my moving average that is crossing below the lower band, but I found it so late, so I have to enter at this particular area, which give a little profit before a spike happens. And if you check this place currently now, you see it gives us a entry at this particular area, and it's also giving us another confirmation entry at this particular area. So guys, so this is what I'm going to be taking, and I'm going to show you the results of this of what I just enter currently now. So let me show you the settings of this strategy so that you guys can have it. I have the first one to be relative strength index. We have the period of one, apply to close, and we have our style in white color, which is the color of our background. And also make sure that you also have your level settings, which is a level style. Also let it be in white color. Don't let it be in black color, let it be in white color. And also you can add a level 50 to hit for you to have a take profit level. You see, let me show you what I just did. You see, this is my 50 level that I just add now. This is my 50 level I just add. So sometimes when your trade get to this particular level, you know that it's better for you to take it at this particular level instead of you risking more in trading boom and crash. So guys, let me show you the rest of the settings so that you guys can work and set it up. So the next one you moved into is the envelope. So you are going to be moving it to the envelope. We have the period of 75. We have our shift to be 0. We have our 0.900 as our division, and then we have our method to be simple. We have apply to close, and you have your upper band and your lower band at this color. So you can set it up like that. Then you press on done. Then you have your moving average. We have the period of 1. We have our shift to be 0. We have our method to be simple, and we have our applied to close, and then we have our style at this color. So that's all about our moving average. Then you can press on done. So once you press on done, you know that it is accurate for you now, for you to take this particular trade. And go out of the what of the market. So as I told you guys currently now that I'm going to be having my 50 level at this area, so you know that anytime your trade is getting to this particular 50 level, you can easily take it as your what, as your take profit one. And that's exactly what I told you guys. So guys, let me show you exactly what I mean by trading this strategy. So the first thing you need to do is for you to work about your what, your upper band and the what and the lower band. So anytime you are having your moving average that is crossing above the what, above the upper band, then you know that it's going to give you a what, a spike entry. So you are going to keep on what, you are going to enter at this particular level, which you are going to find your entry around this area, and you can what, you can keep on taking down your what, your spike as you what, as you want. So you know, in taking spike, you don't need maybe to set up a what, a take profit. Sometimes if you know that that spike really give out a what, a long spike, you can easily take your profit. But if it's just little like what we have here, know that the spike is still what, is still consistent. As you see, you see the first spike it was giving was baby spike, and they give another baby spike, it give another baby spike, and then it give us a what, a long spike. But there's a little reverse, then before you know, another one happen, and it keep on what, like that. So but sometimes when it give it a long spike at once, you know there's going to be what, there's going to be 100% reverse in the market. So you need to understand that also. And also guys, this is another entry for you to see. You see, at this particular level, when you are having your moving average that is crossing below the lower band, then you know you are taking up your what, your trade on the uptrend. You see what happened here. So my 50 level is going to be around there, and you are going to be taking your take profit 1 year. You can set your take profit 2 at the what, at 70 or 80 level, like that. So guys, this is another entry. You see what happened here around this particular area. You see that you have your what, you have a spike that happened, and you keep on trading again, like what you see on the price list there. And you what, it give us a what, a long spike. I told you guys that anytime that you are seeing a very long spike, like what you see here, you see this is like a long spike, and also you see this is a long spike. You know this particular spike will always have a what, a reverse. They will always have a reverse. So the reverse can be so long to the extent that if you don't take your profit on time because you catch up spike, it might easily take what, all the profit back from you. So you need to be very careful about what, about a long spike. So once it is giving out a what, a long spike, then you know that you are what, you are okay with that, and you take that. So like what you see here, you see it give out a spike here, and you see a what, a reverse happen here, and it give out another spike, a reverse happen here. But this one is not too long, but we'll see what exactly what I told you guys. You see a long spike like this, it keep on take all the profits back. You see, it take all the profits back. So I told you guys this is another spike entry for you, and this is another what, another confirmation here for you. You see, you have these two accurate that's what, that sets on it. You see, the first one is confirmed at this area, it give it, but it have its what, a spike currently, and give us another what, another uptrend. And that is exactly what is going to happen at this region currently. Now at this region also, you see it give a what, a best entry here, another confirmation here, and these two confirmation will keep on giving us a what, a uptrend. Don't worry, I will pause the video for you to just see when it's what, it keep on moving on a what, on a uptrend, so that you guys can what, can see. So we have a lot of confirmation for you to catch. See guys, the market is for you. Just take your time to study what strategy you are going to be using, practice more on your demo accounts, then you can easily what, easily enter the market and catch up your profits. See, we have a lot of millions of dollars to catch up. So guys, you have to what, stay consistent on what, on a particular strategy. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop another wonderful strategy like this. Thanks. You see guys, so I'm back on making my what, my profit. So now I'm going to everything now, because what profit I'm going to now is exactly going to be around what I'm having at this particular. So guys, thanks.